Hello students, today we'll discuss the chapter integer class 7th maths. Question number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. From the number line we have to note the temperature of the Lahul Spiti. -8 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla -2 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Uti This is the temperature of Srinagar. Temperature of Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Uti 14 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. Now B part. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Here the hottest place is Bangalore and the coldest place Lahul Spiti. So temperature difference between hottest place and coldest place. Hottest place 22 degree Bangalore minus, that is 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius, that is 30 degrees Celsius. C part. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Between Lahul Spiti. and Srinagar. Temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree and Lahaul Spiti is -8. So subtract smaller number from the greater number. -2 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. That is -2 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius. That is 6 degrees Celsius. D. Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. -2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius. Plus 5 degrees Celsius. And that is 3 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Shimla. 5 degrees Celsius. Yes. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature of Shimla. Now, next part is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? No. No, it is also, no, it is not less than temperature of, less than the temperature of Srinagar. Now, next question. In a quiz, positive and negative positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. Jack scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15, 10. What was his total score at the end? Total score at the end is equal to 25 plus -5 plus -10 plus 15 plus 10. So plus 25 or 15, 40, 50 -15, that is 35. Now next, third question. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, then it is dropped by 2 degrees on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Srinagar temperature on Monday. On Monday, -5 degrees Celsius. Dropped on Tuesday, temperature dropped on Tuesday. (2 degrees Celsius). So temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday, -5 degrees Celsius, -2 degrees Celsius, -7 degrees Celsius. Now temperature rose on Wednesday. (4 degrees Celsius). So temperature on this day -7 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius, that is -3 degrees Celsius. Okay.